Hello everyone, another random walk on a very windy evening in London. We are at King Edward Walk, very lovely little street in Lambeth. I'm gonna show you what we've got here. So we've got nice gallery. Quite nice architecture. Beautiful little corner here with a black cat over there. Hello, darling. Very typical London architecture. And this building, I think it's a college for adults, Morley. You can see a lot of creative stuff inside. So kind of education for adults. We've got some studio here and beautiful houses, old, neglected, but really beautiful. I'm wondering how much you need to pay to buy one of those. Also, I really like the view from here to the new skyscraper. This is incredible. Is that really necessary to have that gate? Okay, so we've got beautiful houses behind me. Really nice architecture. And here you can see there's a new building. And I'm looking at this thinking, okay, what do they do correctly? And what they ruined? I think pretty good job what they've done. However, my biggest now is obviously the doors. They are not as nice as the old ones. That is much nicer. But overall, it's not bad. You could argue why the windows frame are brown instead of white. This is how much you need to pay for one of the flats in here. So I guess you've got two different flats to buy in here. We've got really nice pub in the corner, on the corner. Here we've got a great example of very ugly brutalism architecture. It's absolutely atrocious. This is very, very sad. It's unfortunately reality in London, that you've got idiots who will steal something that will save life. Oh gosh, I'm crying because it's so windy. I'm gonna show you a building that every time when I look at it, I'm just so impressed how beautiful it is. It's a Lambeth Walk Methodist Church. It's a fantastic piece of modern architecture. I love it. So Lambeth is very close to the city centre. It's obviously close to Waterloo and Westminster. However, there are many council flats, and crime rate is one of the highest in the whole city. So, you know, mixed feeling about Lambeth. Like, look how neglected is this building. London is a place where everything is for rich people. Everything. And the disproportion between wealth and poorest, it's getting bigger and bigger each year, unfortunately. This corner here is so London. It's just fascinating. Obviously, it's quite scary. How does it look? But yeah, it's very London. It's very Lambeth. Those houses are stunning. Look at this garden. It's beautiful. Oh gosh, windy. This street, it makes me inspired. I feel like it represents that old London. You know, when you think about London in literature or movies and TV series, and that sentimental memory about beautiful London is this. But at the same time, look at this monstrosity. It's shocking, right? Beautiful houses, and boom, how to destroy. Oh, the beauty. I think this building is the Metropolitan Police Department or something like that. It's quite important. I'm not really sure if I should record here. Novotel London Waterloo. Well, it's not close to Waterloo. You need to walk like 15 minutes to get to Waterloo. So I would say it's quite misleading statement that this is Waterloo. Three books. The book box. I mean, very good idea. But this is London, so I guess also books will be taken. Look how dirty it is here. More and more London looks like this. It's upsetting. So this little garden is St. Mary's Garden. And there is a Westminster over there. We've got medieval tower. And we've got museum, garden museum. It used to be a church. Then they wanted to destroy it, and garden museum was like, nope, we're gonna take this. And I know this because I volunteered in garden museum last year. I really enjoyed that experience. Guys, the wind here is shocking, so I think we're gonna end the stream now. Thank you for joining me for this random walk. See you next time. This is everything I could do for today, and that's it.